Hey, good morning, everyone. So pakilala muna ako before we proceed with our online franchise orientation for today. Maiksi lang to. We'll just give you a quick overview kung anong meron ba sa business natin. And at the same time, towards the end, we'll open up the floor sa mga question and answers natin. And of course, my name is Jamie Concepcion. I'm a pharmacist here in Canada. I've been here since 2005. Pero last year, July 2021, this business was introduced to me, and really it was an answered prayer. Kasi naghahanap na ako ng negosyo for like 17 years nagtatrabaho. So medyo napagod na and looking for nung una extra basket of income lang. Pero ngayon I can see myself in the future na doing this talaga na full-time na pwedeng pamalit sa trabaho ko ngayon. So I'm really excited to share this with you today and thank you for joining us. Ano nga bang meron sa negosyo natin, no? When you talk about the business, teka lang, hindi ko magalaw. Like yeah, ang maganda sa atin is marami tayong mga branches ng business natin. We are a multi-franchising business because we have like 3 major trends that we're riding on. Siyempre, food, an essential, lahat kakain, even if it's pandemic. Essentials, meron din tayo niyan, mga health and wellness products. And we also have the digital franchise. We'll go over them one by one around this presentation. And of course, very important, when you're looking for a business, you're choosing an opportunity, it should have the 4 foundations. Ano nga ba itong mga foundations na to? And JC has all of it. Pakilala ko in the next few slides yung JC, but we have all the ingredients para magkaroon tayo na stable company. That's the best company to have. We also have very valuable products. That's why we have the best products. And the marketing plan, kikita ka dito. It's very profitable. And last but certainly not the least, pinaka-importante, tutulungan ka namin dito. You have the available support system na magsusupport sa'yo para magawa mo yung negosyo ng tama at mapalaki mo siya na mabilis. And stable, speaking of stable, of course, we were awarded as Showmaking Franchise Company of the Year. Yung mga owners natin, like kilalang kilala na rin. We were known talaga sa Showmaking kasi na-found tayo through it noong 2006. So going 17 years na tayo in the business. We already have established 54 business centers sa Philippines, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao yan, even international, nakapagtayo na rin tayo ng offices. So dyan sa Singapore, Taiwan, Qatar, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Italy. Imagine a European country like Italy, nakapagtayo tayo ng JC office dyan. Ganyan kalakas yung company natin. And of course, punta na tayo sa businesses natin. So yung 3 businesses natin, unang-una is the food. Our flagship brand is Showmaking. Bakit nga ba Showmaking franchise? Kasi with franchising, maaasahan mo dito, mababa lang yung kapital, una sa lahat, so hindi ka mamumuhunan ng milyon-milyon. Pangalawa, proven na yung system. Parang yung mga McDo, Jollibee, di ba? Meron ka ng sistema, susundan mo na lang. At mabilis ang ROI dito. It has a very fast payback period. And dahil dun sa 3 components na to, dahil low risk siya and high success rate. Low capital, pero malaki ang kikitain mo. Mabilis kang mag-ROI dito. And in terms of the Showmaking, meron na tayong over 1,000 outlets nationwide. And as I mentioned, back-to-back 2020 and 2021, we were awarded as the Asia's Franchise Company of the Year. And I'm not surprised na this year tayo din yun. Kasi sobrang bilis lumaki at dumami ng mga food carts natin. Kasi yung product placement natin hindi basta-basta. Yung mga food carts natin, you can find them in mga SM, Save More, Robinsons, even mga MRT and LRT stations. Kaya kilala na. And our products, they're of the highest quality. Kasi FDA approved yan. And meron tayong certification ng good manufacturing practice. So we have our own commissary and also that's the reason na we can keep the prices lower. Kasi sa atin mismo yung manufacturing plant. Now with our food cart concept, meron tayong 5 available na food cart ngayon. We have the Noodle House, we have the Siopaw the King, Burger Factory, Potato King, and of course yung flagship natin na Showmaking. Our commissary is actually already producing regularly 30 million siomai at 2.5 million na siopaw. Hindi po yan natigil nung pandemic. Continuous yung production natin kasi sobrang taas ng demand. Now, marami tayong mga celebrity influencers. Sina Katunying, sina Tulfo, sina Maricar de Mesa. Ang pinaka-brand ambassadors natin for Showmaking is Miss Ivana Alawi. She actually created videos and posters to promote the Showmaking brand. Now, ang food cart natin, the cost of it is 288,888. All in na yan. Tax included. Ang mga kasali dyan, yung buong food cart, everything that you need to open up the food cart. Ang kulang na lang dyan, yung kukunin mo na magtatao at saka yung location mo. Ang pangalawa, yung location, actually, we now have over 100 mga prime locations sa mga SM Robinsons natin na pwede nating isuggest if it's food cart na gusto. So yung mga ibang tao, hindi nila kaya yung 288,888, mabigat. So kung wala kang 288,000, the company introduced the 2-in-1 franchise opportunity na mas mapapamura na yung kapital mo. So we have the community franchise business and the online franchise business na pwede ka na magbenta ng mga frozen products. So yung mga nakita nyo kanina, pati yung mga Siopaw the King, Potato King, hindi lang isa yung pipiliin mo. Lahat ng food products natin, pwede mo siya ibenta online or offline. Yung community, yun yung offline. Pwede ka magbenta sa mga condo, sari-sari store, magbagsak ka sa mga canteen sa school. So the possibilities are endless kung saan mo pwedeng ibagsak lahat ng mga products mo. And number two, yun yung sa food natin. Number two, we also have essentials. So these are high-value basic products, mga lotion, kape, sabon, mga araw-araw mong ginagamit. So magpapalit brand ka lang, kikita ka pa dito. And we also introduced just this January, so wala pang 1 year to, our 4 programs. We have 3 health and wellness programs, and then we have the Kind skincare package. So the first program is the Cell Detox program. Ito is cleansing at the cellular level. Lilinisin niya yung kidneys at saka yung atay mo para mas magaan yung pakiramdam mo. Mataas din to sa calcium, vitamin C at iron. So very complete yung nutrients niya, whole food. So 60-day mong gagawin para linisin yung sistema mo. Now, napapanahon yung mga program na to, like especially yung weight loss program. Alam naman natin marami mga nag-work from home na. So nag-gain ng weight. So we have a program na in 60 days, it will help you lose weight. Guided to ng mga doctors din natin. So meron siyang procedure kung paano susundan, kung paano isusupplement din yung pagkain mo, kung ano yung mga healthy foods. So kasama na po yan. And we have consultations with our doctors as well. Immunity Booster, another program na napapanahon. So for 60 days, you will enroll in a program na meron ka mga supplements na iti-take and it will help boost your immunity. Lalakas yung resistensya mo. And then we also have the Kind skincare package. Ito yung mga K-pop, yung mga nauuso ngayon na mga Korean, ito 14-step regimen. It's actually made in Korea. And it's also gentle on the skin, organic lahat ng ingredients natin. Sobrang ganda. Actually, like I'm using this product right now. I have very sensitive skin and masasabi ko that this is one of the products na sobrang effective na, very useful pa pag sensitive yung skin mo. And we also have copper mask. So syempre nung kasagsagan ng pandemic, the company introduced the copper mask and nagdadagdag yung company. So just to show you, originally isa lang yung copper mask and then naglabas ng bagong mga styles, yung Z mask and of course yung pinaka-latest na nilabas, yung panlaban natin sa N95. So yung mga healthcare professionals, pwede na natin gamitin to kasi meron na siyang filtration rate na 94%. So meron siyang 4 layers din and very breathable kasi nagkaka-acne yung iba. So magandang gamitin din itong KF94 natin na mask. And then ang sabi ko nga may mga in-house doctors tayo, no? Sina Doc Ferd Soledad, he's our Assistant Medical Director. Pag nag-avail ka ng 60-day programs, you are also entitled to free a medical checkup with our doctor. Wala ka nang babayaran din doon para kung may tinitik kang gamot, para alam ng doktor kung i-adjust ba yung 60-day program para sa'yo. And we were also hailed as the Health and Wellness Company of the Year. Second time na po, nung last August lang. Kasi nga lahat ng mga products and mga programs natin, well-tested and well-guided ng mga medical doctors natin. And different countries nakakarating na rin. Like even here in Canada, nakadalawang padala na ako. Meron akong pangatlo ngayong December na mga products. Alam niyo naman magpapasko, very in demand din yung mga products. Ako being a pharmacist, talagang pinopromote ko yung barley. And I can tell you, kaya ang daming mga iba-ibang countries like UAE, Switzerland, USA, Japan, na nakakadating yung mga products natin, it's because meron tayong mga FDA and halal stamp ng products natin. So pagdating ng border, hindi at customs, hindi siya ganun, like hindi siya nahaharang. Kasi sobrang yung papeles kasama pa doon pag pinadala sa inyo yung mga products natin. And then ito, number 3, actually ito yung pinaka-anchor natin sa negosyo. It's because we have the digital franchise na ang Cloud Panda, which is one of the biggest IT companies in the Philippines, siya yung ka-tie-up natin. We actually own, JC owns Cloud Panda. And yung mga siniservice na mga company nito, you can search it, cloudpanda.ph. Examples lang to, yung Pure Gold, Ferrari Philippines, Mactan Cebu International Airport, actually even mga SM and BDO, ka-tie up natin sa Cloud Panda. So in terms of our business naman, ang ginawa ni Cloud Panda is gumawa siya ng personalized website or shop link. So ito yung nabanggit ko kanina dun sa food na meron kang online franchise. So magkakaroon ka ng website. So for example, sa pagkain, kasi hiwalay yung pagkain, hiwalay din yung essentials. So sa pagkain, you will have your own shop link, which is siomaiking.ph/your unique account number. It becomes a hyperlink. So i-click na lang nila yung link na yun. So all you do is share that link. Ito na yung mapapakita sa kanilang page. So it's an add to cart system. It's a business at the touch of a button. So o-order sila dyan. Pagka-order nila, isi-ship din ni company, wala kang hawak na inventaryo, all you will receive is yung commission. So between 10 to 15%, 10 to 20%, depending kung ano yung products na bibili nila. So that's for the food online franchise. Now sa digital shop link naman ng health and wellness, we have the jcshop.ph, then flash your account number, i-click lang din nila yung link na yon. Dito naman mahahanap mo yung mga vitamin C natin, Kojic soap, yung Kind Beauty Care, barley, so mga coffee, ashitaba, supplement. Ang pwede mo naman kitain dito is up to 25%. And tumataas pa yan. Actually, our Kind products right now, ang ating kita is 60 to 80%. Yun yung commissions natin ngayon hanggang December 26. So yun yung maganda dito sa company natin, very generous in terms of like giving yung commission kapag na-share mo yung shop link mo. Ito pa, hindi lang essentials at saka yung food yung meron tayo. Meron pa tayong negosyo sa JC na daily super app, which is TokTok. Daily super app, bakit nga ba? Kasi lahat yan meron tayo. Delivery, meron tayong TokTok food. So let's go over kung ano yung mga meron tayo. So may delivery business, as I said. So that's the TokTok delivery. 1 million downloads, actually 2 million downloads na po. In December, 2 years pa lang tayo. Before we hit the 2-year mark, 2 million na agad yung mga subscribers natin ng TokTok app na nakapag-download. And we have the pabili service. Yung pabili service, kasi di ba nag-slow down yung mga Robinsons saka SM supermarket because of the pandemic. So pwede na ngayon magpabili ka inside the mall. Kasama na rin yun sa app. And magkakaroon ka rin ng mga commissions mo dyan. And very sikat na rin yung TokTok because of the billboards na nilagay ni company. Imagine pandemic, tayo as a company nakapagtayo pa rin tayo ng billboard sa EDSA. And yung mga artista, mapapansin nyo, are TokTok endorsers. Yung pinaka-latest natin is si Vice Ganda. Ang mga dati nating mga endorsers na, yung mga love team ng Channel 2, Channel 7, yung mga Katniel at saka Aldab. So bigating artista din, yung mga nakukuha natin to promote our business. Ito yung kitaan natin. So as a franchisee, pag shinare mo yung, magkakaroon ka ng account number din dito at referral code. So i-download nila yung app. When they download the app, they just enter your referral code. Pag every successful delivery nila, you will earn 3% as an online franchisee. So yun yung basic. Now may mga iba, gusto rin nila mas malaking kitaan. So merong option, ito optional to. Kung gusto mong gawin, pwede kang kumita ng additional 7%, pero ikaw ngayon na mag-hire ng rider mo. At si rider naman, kung mapapansin mo, 80% yung kanya. So really 90% sa atin napupunta, 10% lang yung napupunta sa company. So paano ba yung sample computation sa 3%? Sabi parang ang liit lang yan. Pero pag yan nagpa-download mo yung maraming tao at nag-average ng iba-ibang riders din kasi yan, lahat ng gagamit. So 200 booking per day. Kung manari 150 yung delivery fee. In 30 days dun sa 3% mo, you can earn 27,000 pesos. And isa pa lang to, TokTok delivery. Meron pa tayo dinevelop after na roll out na yung TokTok sa buong Pilipinas, ni-roll out naman yung TokTok Mall. So para ka ngayon si Jack Ma, para ka si Jeff Bezos, may Amazon ka, may Alibaba ka. Pero dito hindi ka lang bumibili, kumikita ka pa. So you will have your own shop link din dito, toktokmall.ph/your account number. All you do is promote. Pagka-order nila, pagka-deliver, and then you will earn up to 3.5%. Actually, may promotion tayo ngayon with Cherry Mobile products. It's actually 10 to 15%. Pag yun yung mga products na pinopromote nyo sa TokTok Mall. Another advantage of TokTok Mall is legit brands lang yung tinatanggap natin dito. Then next, hindi pa tayo natatapos sa TokTok. TokTok also yung sa app natin, nasa loob ng isang app pa rin to. So yung TokTok Delivery and TokTok Mall. Now third, itong TokTok Food. So yung TokTok Food naman, it's exactly like yung Food Panda or Grab Food or dito sa abroad, yan yung mga Uber Eats natin. Skip the Dishes, DoorDash. So dito naman, isi-share mo rin lang yung link mo. Bawat order nila sa mga restaurants sa Tok Food, you will earn 5 to 15, up to 15%. So yun yung pwede mong kitain just by sharing your link. Imagine, so may naglibre kunwari ng Wendy's, naka 1,000 pesos. Meron kang up to 150 pesos doon na commission. Eh dati naman, nagpapadeliver ka na ng pagkain, hindi ka kumikita. Now, meron ka ng chance na kumita din at the same time. And then we also introduced yung ating Tok Wallet. It's the latest e-wallet platform na very convenient for fund transfers at saka cashless transactions. And this is Bangko Sentral approved, kaya ang dami nating mga nadadagdag because of the Tok Wallet. So it is used as a mode of payment. Kung paano po gumagana yung GCash, ganito rin po gumagana yung Tok Wallet. But here you're given the chance again na magkaroon na, being a franchisee, na magkaroon ka ng mga commissions sa mga transactions. We also have the Tok Go. Tok Go is the newest Filipino-owned ride-hailing app. May kalaban na si GrabCar, hindi na niya monopolize na yung mga nasa Maynila na nakakancel yung mga trip nila because ayaw kunin ng Grab driver. Ito ngayon may kalaban na. We launched Tok Go noong August. Nag-launch na siya and there is a rebate as well dito. So may kitaan din dito. Pwede tayo maging partner ng Tok Go. And we will earn 5% rebate sa bawat rider na ma-refer din natin. So that's your Tok Go. And then also, latest na na-release, wala pa dito sa presentation ko, is the Tok Bills. Na nagbabayad ka na lang ng mga kuryente, tubig, mga bills mo, kumikita ka pa. So gagamitin mo lang yung Tok Wallet mo doon, associated siya doon, and meron ka mga up to 9 pesos nakikitain per transaction. So nagbayad ng credit card, nagbayad sila ng airline ticket, na mga cable, tubig, meron kang kikitain. So that's our newest innovation dito sa Tok. Kaya naman talagang daily super app. Now, yan, nabanggit ko na yung negosyo natin, ganong kalaki. Sabi ko nga may 3 negosyo tayo. Paano nga ba i-avail lahat ng benefits na to? Traditionally, sabi ko nga, million-million. But with our franchising, hindi mo na kailangan maglabas ng ganong kalaking pera. You only have, like, hindi mo kailangan maglabas ng million-million dito. Ito yung mga packages natin. Ito na yung pinakamalaki at pinakamahal. This is the package that I got kasi what I saw here is a lifetime business. Sabi ko, todo ko to. So kung makikita mo dito, I'll compare all the packages that we have and the advantages of each one. Una sa lahat, the Diamond, our most prestigious package. 3 million talaga yan. Pero ngayon, binibigay ni company for only 554,528 pesos. Ano bang kasama dyan? Meron kang health packages. Actually, ngayon yung health packages mo worth 900,000 pesos. So dun pa lang sa mga freebies mo, bawi ka na. Aside from that, you will get the 3 businesses. So yung food, yung digital, at saka yung health. You will also receive, apart from the goods of 900,000 pesos worth, meron ka ring cashback na 95,400 pesos after a week na ma-register ka. So that's our Diamond. Syempre, hindi naman lahat may ganyan pang kapital. That's why we offer the other packages. The next one is Global, originally priced at 1.5 million. Ngayon, it's 304,096 na lang. Meron kang ngayon nasa 450,000 yung freebies mo dito. And again, kuha mo yung 3 business natin, your cashback here after a week is 27,450 pesos. So that's our Global. The next one that we have is the Elite. The Elite, dating 700,000, ngayon 160,992 na lang. So dito naman, yung magiging freebies mo nasa over 200,000 pesos, bawi ulit sa products pa lang, kuha mo lahat ng negosyo, meron kang cashback in a week na 11,250 pesos. Our next package is the Best Standard. Originally priced at 300,000, ngayon 89,440 pesos na lang. Mas mahal pa yung iPhone ngayon. Diba? Ito may negosyo ka na. Dito magkakaroon ka ng freebies na halos 100,000 na. And yun, kuha mo yung lahat ng business and you will get 7,200 pesos back after a week. Cash yun. And last but not the least, ito, pag talagang hindi kaya yung mga packages natin, ginawa ni company, we opened yung basic platinum, which at only 17,888, pwede ka nang magsiwala ng negosyo mo. Wala kang cashback dyan, yung mga freebies mo dyan, like between 10, depende kung anong package yung pipiliin mo, between 10 to 30,000 kung a-avail mo siya ngayon. Kasi nagbabago din yung mga freebies natin. So these freebies are only effective until November 28. So please keep that in mind po sa mga guests natin and mga partners na nandito. And of course, the bigger yung capital, the bigger yung package, the higher the package that you choose, mas malaki yung earning potential mo. Guaranteed yan kasi ako po, like, I got the diamond in July. I earned my first million dito in 4 months and 15 days. So ganun kabilis kapag nag-diamond ka. So that's the main advantage. But again, we all have all the other packages para kung ano yung swak sa budget mo at masimulan na natin yung negosyo mo para matulungan ka na namin na mapalaki. Now, yan, yung packages mo, yung bayad mo is actually yung franchising fee so that you have the rights to market the product. So pwede mo nang gamitin ngayon yung mga trademark, logos, and yung mga marketing materials. So nakita mo lahat ng artista kanina, sina Vice Ganda, Marian Rivera pala is another endorser of ours, Calvit C, yung vitamin C natin, non-acidic vitamin C. Ako as a pharmacist, gustong-gusto ko rin itong vitamin C na to kasi hindi siya masakit sa tiyan. Hindi siya mahapdi sa tiyan. And kumuha pa rin yung company ng artista na magpo-promote dyan. So may mga videos and posters sila, sina Ivana Alawi, Coppermas naman, si Piolo Pascual, yung nakuha nating endorser. So marami dyan na pwede mong gamitin to promote the products. And pwede kang pumili ng isa pag or kung gusto mo lahat, we have the packages na makukuha mo lahat ng businesses. And of course, we always see the real opportunities now kasi kailangan mong makita bago makita pa ng iba. Parang ano yan parang ikaw yung mauuna magbenta ng ganito sa lugar na to, ikaw yung makikilala dyan. Kaya nga laging now is very important. And pakita ko lang yung mga iba-ibang klase ng mga tao na kumikita na dito, different careers, accountant man yan, teacher, store supervisor, kumikita dito. Dating Grab driver, lumipat na po dito sa atin, sa JC. And even flight attendants, mga multi-millionaires na po. Yung mga nandyan na flight attendants sa lower right corner na to, itong tatlong to, mga multi-millionaires na yan because of the business. Actually, nawalan sila ng trabaho. Kasi nga, di ba, nawalan yung mga travel noon. So, swerte lang, like they're so, sabi nila, laging sinasabi nila, like we're so blessed na nabigyan sila ng opportunity to bounce back kahit nawalan silang trabaho because of the business. And of course, different countries din, like me, nasa Canada, we also have partners from Spain, Africa, Australia, Japan, US, all over the world. Germany, yan, meron tayo dito, Qatar, Israel, Hong Kong, buong mundo, market mo dito. And you just follow the 4 easy steps. First, you choose your package to become an online franchisee. And study the program. So kaakibat mo kami, and as you can see dito sa 1 AM Zoom, this is just one schedule na meron tayo for you to train and study kung paano nga ba gawin yung negosyo. And we will help you build and train, and you just copy and follow. Uulitin mo lang kung anong ginawa namin. Pinapasimple namin yung pagpapalakad ng negosyo. And the best thing that we can offer you, best and last thing is the support system. So dito, we will teach you, show you, and share with you. Actually, 3 na yung Zoom meetings natin araw-araw. So, in local time, 10 AM Philippines, 1 AM at saka 3 AM Philippine time. So, yung mga full-timers na coach, like me ngayon, nagpo-full-time ako, kaya ako nag-host din. And I'm helping people na i-train ko rin kayo para magawa niyo yung business at magka-resulta tulad ko. We have what we call the ABC support system. So, advisors, ako yan. Siyempre, ako yung nagpe-present and I will be answering any questions na meron. And I teach this system to everyone. We are the bridge, yung mga nag-invite dito. So sila yung mga online franchisees na bumibili ng products and nagre-refer din habang inaaral nila yung sistema. And then customer or client, yan, kayong mga first time makinig ngayon. So this is a business decision. Pag go tayo, ang guarantee namin, we will help you all the way. And you will have results here. You just have to follow the system. Nandito talaga yung magiging support mo. And wag ka lang magsasawa kasi we will be there almost every day para i-guide ka. Message tayo, like whatever you need para mapalaki mo yung negosyo mo dito. And we make millionaires. Sa team natin, actually 33 millionaires, and I'm proud to say na isa akong na bunga nito na mga millionaires. But because of the business, talagang nababago yung mga buhay ng mga tao. And in our mother group, yung Eralista, yung sa video na napanood nyo kanina, we already have, updated to, over 140 millionaires na dito sa business. And we created certain milestones as well para nag-goal tayo, 100,000 income ka na, 250, para unti-unti tutulungan namin kayong ma-reach yung bawat milestone na yan hanggang makarating kayo sa mga millions with an S niya dito. And how to register, very simple lang. You just send in your details, basic information like your name, address, phone number, email address, and your valid ID. Proof of payment, lahat is accepted naman. So usually, send mo lang yung picture ng resibo na nasubmit mo na yung payment mo. And after nun, simula pa lang tayo. So pagkabayad mo, hindi yun yung ending. Pagkabayad mo, yun yung simula natin dito sa negosyo. So we will provide you with all the training. Yung step 2, what to do next. Paano mo i-share yung shop links mo? May guide din tayo doon. Different ways to earn. Trainings ng marami nating products kasi ang dami nating mga variety of products. We will provide those trainings as well. And we have the level up training. Kung gusto nyo maging ako rin na maging consultant, we have the consultant training. Yan. So any questions?